Hello everyone, welcome to today's lecture on mastering exam preparation with the what, how, where framework. If you've ever struggled to answer exam questions effectively or wondered how to structure your notes to align with exam requirements, then this is for you. Also, check out the video on making effective notes using the what, how, where framework. Many students face this common problem. They don't know how to answer exam questions. Why? Because they struggle to identify what the question is actually asking for. Sometimes it's about memorizing facts, other times it's explaining a process, and in some cases it's thinking critically or applying concepts. The what, how, and where framework helps you to understand what exam questions are asking, structure your answers appropriately, prepare notes in a way that directly addresses these types of questions. Let's break it down. What questions? Focus on facts and definitions. How questions? Focus on explanations and processes. Where questions? Focus on application and critical thinking. Each of these categories aligns perfectly with the types of exam questions you'll encounter. Understanding this will allow you to prepare notes that address each question type directly. Let's look at each one in detail. First, we have the what questions. These are all about recalling basic facts, definitions, or key information. Keywords you'll often see include define, list, state, identify. For example, define photosynthesis. To answer these questions effectively, you need to keep your answers direct and concise. Use clear definitions or bullet points. Focus on accuracy. This is all about getting the facts right. In your notes, you should have a what section where you write down definitions, lists, and facts. Next, we have how questions. These test your understanding and your ability to explain or analyze a concept. Common keywords here are explain, describe, illustrate, analyze. For example, explain how photosynthesis works in plants. To answer these effectively, you need to break down the concept into steps or parts. Use linking words like because, therefore, as a result, to show logical flow. Support your explanations with examples or diagrams. Your notes for how questions should include clear explanations, steps, and diagrams where possible. Think of this as writing or laying out the process so that you can explain it later. Finally, we have the where questions. These are higher order questions that require you to apply knowledge, think critically, or evaluate a given scenario. Look for keywords like discuss, evaluate, compare, contrast, critically analyze. For example, evaluate the impact of deforestation on climate change. To answer these effectively, you need to present multiple perspectives or arguments. Support your answer with evidence or examples. End with a clear conclusion or judgment. Your notes for the where question should include arguments for and against a topic, real-life examples, evidence to support your conclusion. Now that you understand the three categories of questions, let's see how this links with note making. When you're studying a topic, organize your notes like this. What? Write down key facts, definitions, or lists. How? Break down processes, explanations, or steps. Where? Prepare arguments, examples, and critical perspectives. By organizing your notes this way, you'll be able to quickly identify what exam questions are asking, recall facts, explain processes, and think critically with confidence. This method makes your studying more efficient and your exam answers will be more structured and focused. To recap, what questions test your factual knowledge? How questions focus on explanations and processes? Where questions require application and critical thinking? When you align your notes and study habits with the what, how, where framework, you'll study smarter and answer exam questions more effectively. So the next time you prepare for exams, try this method and watch your confidence soar. Thank you for joining me today, and I wish you all the best in your studies. Remember, prepare smart, answer better. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Happy studying!